Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you how to prepare traditional Karnataka style and temple style puliyogre easily at home. Watch complete video for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Today I am preparing traditional Karnataka style puliyogre. For that I have taken few ingredients. I will show you that. I have taken channa dal, urad dal, jeera, turmeric powder, mustard, pepper, dhania, methi. This is hing, and I have taken here two types of chilies. One is Badgi chili and another one is Guntur chili. And I have taken few groundnuts, dry coconut, and this is til. If you have black til, you can use that also. Today I am using white til. And then tamarind juice extract. Now I will show you how to prepare traditional Karnataka style puliyogre. And then I have taken tamarind and jaggery. I have washed the tamarind and I have extracted juice. Like this I have extracted tamarind juice. Now for preparing puliyogre, I am preparing one powder. For that I am taking dhania. Today I have used around 3 spoons of dhania. We need to dry roast this. Dry roast in very low flame. Once you feel the aroma of dhania, we can switch off the stove. Now I have dry roasted the dhania. I am taking it to separate bowl. Now I have taken chana dal. I have taken 1 spoon of chana dal. I have added 1 drop of oil so that it will fry very fast. If you don't want oil, you can skip that also. Along with chana dal, now I am adding 1 spoon of urad dal. Now I am adding half spoon of methi. Now you can see it's turned to little golden brown in color. I will take it to separate bowl. I have transferred it to a separate bowl. Now I have added half spoon of black pepper. I am adding 1 drop of oil. Based on the quantity of how much you are preparing, you can add the ingredients. Now I am adding jeera, around 1 spoon of jeera. Now I am adding til, that is yellow. Today I am using white til. If you have black til, you can use that also. After dry roasting this, I am transferring it to same bowl. Now I have added little oil. Now I am roasting red chilies. Today I am using 6 Guntur chilies and 6 Badgi chilies. Once it is roasted this much, it's enough. Now I am transferring this to mixer jar. Now I will powder this red chilies. After powdering the red chilies, it looks like this. Now I am adding remaining roasted ingredients to mixer jar. Now I will make a fine powder of all these ingredients. Now you can see puliyogre powder is ready. You can prepare this and you can keep it in heated container, and whenever you want puliyogre you can use this. Now I will show how to prepare puliyogre gojju. Now for preparing puliyogre gojju, I have taken pan and I am adding oil. Now I am adding groundnuts. I will fry the groundnuts. Fry it in low flame. Until it changes to slightly golden brown in color, we need to fry this. After frying this, I will take it to a separate bowl. I will add it later so that we will get crispy groundnuts, or else it will get soft. Now I am taking this to a separate bowl. Now for the same oil, I am adding mustard, jeera, chana dal, urad dal, I am adding red chilies. I have taken 3 red chilies. Now I am adding curry leaf. Now I am adding hing, around 1/4 spoon of hing. Now I am adding turmeric powder. Now I am adding til, white til, around 1 spoon of white til. Now I am adding the freshly prepared masala powder. Based on the quantity and taste, you can add the masala powder. Today I am using around 5 to 6 spoons of masala powder. Now I am adding tamarind juice, around 1 cup of tamarind juice, and I have added jaggery. Now we need to allow it to boil. I am adding salt as per taste. You can even prepare this goju and you can keep it in refrigerator in heated container, and whenever you want you can mix it with rice and you can use this. You can store it for around 1 month. Now you can see it's boiling. Now puliyogre goju is ready. Now I have already cooked the rice and I have cooled it. Now I am adding the prepared goju. Based on the quantity of how much you are preparing, add the goju. Now I am mixing this. Now I am adding grated dry coconut. If you want salt, you can add at this stage. I am adding little salt. If you feel that you need little masala powder also, you can add that. Now I am adding roasted fried groundnuts. If I mix this well, traditional Karnataka style puliyogre is ready. It's same as we'll get the puliyogres in temple for prasada. And after preparing this, keep it for around half an hour and then you taste it so that you will get the good taste. If you have more time, you can keep it for around 1 hour also. And if you feel that if you need little goju or powder, you can add it and you can mix it. After preparing, keep it for at least half an hour. Now finally, puliyogre is ready. Now you can see traditional Karnataka style and temple style puliyogre is ready. Hope so you enjoyed my video. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you will get the notification, you will get the updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.